can you draw the famous painting named Girl with a Pearl Drawing?
Of course, no problem. Let's start this.
The Girl with a Pearl Earring is Vermeer's greatest work. It is as famous as Leonardo's Mona Lisa and is also one of the top 10 famous paintings in the world.
Johannes Vermeer is a famous painter in the Golden Age of the Netherlands in the 17th century. He is known as the three greatest Dutch painters along with Hals and Rembrandt.
It is said that Vermeer has 11 children. In order to feed them, Vermeer's life is always very difficult. The hard life caused Vermeer to pass away early at the age of 43, leaving behind only 30 of his artworks. And he was forgotten for nearly 2 centuries after his death.
This black overflows into the outline and can't be covered with yellow. Don't panic at this time. You can use white to paint first and smear the overflow to the black part, just like a correction pen. After it dries, you can recolor it. Vermeer was thus awarded the title of Sleeping Sphynx for 2 centuries and a mysterious painter. In any case, like Vermeer's favorite prayers, his artworks finally began to shine after 2 centuries of silence.
The painting Girl with Pearl Earring is not just an ordinary portrait. The painter may be trying to capture the way the girl looked behind at someone she just found.
For more than 300 years in this painting, the world has been amazed by the woman in the painting. The soft lines of the clothes, the changes in light and the shade of the earring. Especially the woman looking back sideways, hesitating to speak. Only Mona Lisa's smile is comparable to it. The true identity of the woman in the painting, like the Mona Lisa, is an internal mystery.
Regarding the identity of this girl, it is generally believed that it is Vermeer's daughter Maria.
Vermeer used the low saturation blue and yellow as the main colors. The significance of this in classical oil painting is to show the nobility of the characters. It seems that the color contrast of the face is not obvious enough. You can repaint it with dark yellow and other colors. Now it's okay.
Unlike Vermeer, most other paintings, this painting replaces the interior of the room full of various objects with black. The purpose of this is to allow viewers to focus all their attention on the girl.
Vermeer also designed a smart metaphor in this painting. The pearl under the girl's earlobe really stands out, but it doesn't match the girl's identity, because obviously she can't afford such expensive pearl earrings. Now that the girl's drawing is done, it's time to draw her pearl earrings. Vermeer hinted here that the real pearl is not the pair of earrings, but the innocent and noble character of the girl.
It's now finished. Not bad, isn't it?